Hi there, my name's Josh. I'm a carpenter and I want to share with you my hidden doors because I just finished it and I think they're really cool. We've got one over here in the exercise room and we've got one over here for the bicycle repair. As you can see, they just look like standard slatted panel walls. But right here, we have a hidden door latch. And this is a basic modified deadbolt with the inside is unfinished, but as you can see, we used a giant wheel to support it. And there's the storage area in there. And over here, we have the same thing. And that, my friends, is the hidden doors. And it swings very easily and latches simply. And I did my best to make sure that the base was, hidden to the point where you can't tell, except for this crack right up here, of course. But hey, you can't win them all. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope this will inspire some other carpenters to maybe do the same thing. I mean, we've got it set up to where the hinges are just in the middle of the slats, and you see we had to separate these a little more. And no, you may be asking, couldn't you just notch kind of the back of one of these to make sure that this gap was closed? But no, because when this opens, it opens perfectly flat to this. So we did the best we could do with what we had. And I made these stairs over here, and we put a sauna in, and this really nice bathroom too, which actually has a really nice design. I really like it. I won't take credit. Omar did the tile, but it's beautiful. So the hidden door part is the main point here. And I just wanted to make that to, I guess, kind of humble brag, because it takes years to develop the skills, but I really believe anybody can do it if they just put their mind to it. Just make sure when you're drilling out these handles that you drill very carefully. You slip once, you ruin the whole panel. Not a pretty sight. There's methods, there's ways, and plenty of carpentry tutorials on YouTube to show you how. I thought about doing tutorials on certain things, but I just figured there's so many already, and so many different projects people do. So yeah, right behind me, if you're wondering, it's actually a mini garage door that was designed just for him to work on his bicycles, because he builds bikes. So yeah, thanks for your time, and I'll see you later. Peace out.